Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to find trending hashtags on Instagram. For example, if you are a content creator and you are always looking for the trending hashtags so that you can use in your post, so how you can get that trending hashtags. So there are many methods available. So the first method is that you can simply use the explore page on the Instagram. For this you have to simply search for the initial of your tags, and after that you can simply search that tags, and after that what you can do, you can simply click on tags, and after that you can simply find all the hashtags related to that your initial. So in this way you can simply find the trending hashtags. Moreover, you can also see that there are the written number of posts attached to that tags. So in this way you can simply find the tags. Moreover, you can also go to posts which are available as for example, you can simply see the accounts and posts which are available to that. So in this way you can simply explore the tags. Moreover, you can simply go to reels and you can also explore the tags in used in that reels. Moreover, there are also another method which provide you trending hashtag, which means you can simply use third-party application or softwares which can also provide trending hashtags, which means these hard work which you do on Instagram, Explore or anything like that is all done by that software, and you have to simply provide the hashtags and they will provide you all related trending hashtags for you. But there is also another method which is that you can simply search influencer to related to your tags, and after that you can simply follow them and see their posts, and after that you can simply check their tags and you can use them in your post so that you can increase your followers. So hope you have liked this video. If you can get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.